How to do the bent over row in 1 minute. Featuring Fit with Men. Number 1, don't use a straight bar. Using a straight bar and a traditional bent over row puts a lot of unnecessary pressure onto your lower back. Instead, use a kettlebell or a dumbbell and a single arm movement. This will add a core stability aspect to the movement and will help your lower back instead of hurting it. Number 2, take a spear throwing stance. Number 3, lean your torso over your front foot. Number 4, remember your lats only control up to your elbows, so focus on pulling your elbows back in a quarter circle motion. Number 5, holding at the top of the movement will increase your core stability, help improve your shoulder posture, and develop the mind-muscle connection you have with your lats. Thank you for watching.